Many watched the tutorial I posted last time. A lot of people came to ask me how to make it more colorful. There are two main coloring methods. One is to paint directly onto the gel plate, and the other is color layering. It works just like silkscreen printing, pressing the color on layer by layer. This video today, I'll demonstrate the basic methods of color layering and a few things to keep in mind. The first step is to roll the paint evenly. Don't leave holes. At the same time, roll quick, because the paint dries quick. Once the paint dries, it's done. You can't transfer. Quick, but with control. After rolling the paint, paste the pre-printed image. Make sure there are no bubbles while you paste this image. It must be pasted flat. We do not want air bubbles. After that, press with a roller or your own hands. Let the air out. Then gently roll back and forth on it a few times. It mainly depends on what paint you use. In general, I roll between 9 to 12. When rolling, use an even force. Not too hard. Imagine the natural gravity of the rolling hand. After rolling, slowly uncover it. My paint got a little dry. So, you see, there's a little bit of paint that hasn't been completely taken away by the paper. Be careful when wiping. Don't destroy the original picture. I want to use the paper's color as background, so I'll use transparent acrylic gel medium. Make sure to be gentle while applying the medium. Don't destroy the layer, and then you flip it over. Align with paper, then press it onto the paper. Press straight down. Do not slide to the side, because this gel plate can be slippery. If it slides, the image will be destroyed. Gently press it with your hands or tools. Make sure it fully dries onto the paper. Slowly uncover the paper. The whole picture has been transferred. Now onto the second layer of color. This layer is the color of leaves. Repeat the same steps. One thing to note here is that the opacity of the second layer can create different effects. Depends on whether you want to see the color of the first layer or not. So pick the paint accordingly. If you prefer to cover the first layer completely, use opaque paint. Or, you can reserve the color area of the second layer on your digital file. It's more work editing your image layers digitally. So when you layer your transfers, layer by layer on top. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. Now the third layer of color. Repeat the previous steps. The color of this layer is the color of the flowers. I want mine to be more saturated. I usually hold my breath when I layer. Be sure to be quick when placing your plate. If you take too long aiming, that layer of transparent acrylic medium dries up quick. When choosing gel plate for color layering, be sure to choose a clean and transparent gel plate. It's basically finished now. Then for this one, I decide to finish it up with other art mediums. I'm going to use a pen to perfect the remaining little details. Gel printing is a way of creation. Not necessarily the whole artwork needs to be made using gel printing. You can combine with other media to perfect a piece of artwork. You can combine it with painting, drawing, stickers, collages, etc. Now that's all for the color layering tutorial. I will share more techniques in the future, such as the direct painting method and making prints using plants. I'd also like to share some personal opinion about paints. Okay, thank you for your patience. Bye. See you next time.